Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I'm going to discuss about some of the new features that are currently being implemented on the site. So first of all, if you go back to the site here, so you can see here the booking manager page is being updated right away. And you can read here about as well what's going on. And if you just click on this, you can see it right away. So the booking page is getting a slight update regarding to design. Right now you can see here the travel date, or all bookings by travel date. They are now more stylish designed, and it's more better and easier to read. You can see the most important things are highlighted, and everything that is of lesser importance is becoming more smaller. Since if you click on this, you will see the full details. And that's really important. And it's also easier and more friendly to read for you and for your agents. Next, what is being implemented, and due to the implementation, you might notice some not working features. So that's on the booking page. On the booking page, we currently have also the design, and this design has some new features being implemented, which is analyzing if a booking has been approved or disapproved or has not been checked. So what does that mean? With this new feature, you can instantly see if there's any new bookings that you did not approve yet. So let me explain a little bit about the new feature and why this is so important for you. If you have multiple bookings, you will probably notice that you need to check them always. And what's really important is if you forget checking them, sometimes things might go wrong, or you might that the numbers, if let's click on this one for example, maybe the numbers are incorrect or something else is incorrect. And being able to check them is good, because this is connected eventually with this here, where you can approve or reject the booking. However, so why is this really necessary, or what happens if you approve it? So if you would approve it, the booking becomes green, meaning that this booking is validated, approved by a manager or the owner. And that also means that the agent is not able to adjust the booking anymore. And the reason why we did it on purpose is that once something is approved, this information and all the financials within there will be stored in the system for calculation. And later on, you will notice that you can see exactly how much you're selling and how much you're earning, and that's specifically built with this feature here in mind. And that's really important that we want to. Next, as you can see here, imagine you have a double booking. Someone inserts a booking, however, instead of inserting once, they inserted it twice. And in this case, and that's a very nice example here, you can see that this booking has been disapproved. And the reason why it's disapproved, of course, is because there's a double booking. And it's really nice. Adding this new feature is very valuable for you as a travel agency owner, because you can then start to focus on managing your business instead of only being in your business and working on it. Because you have to also manage your own business. And with this, you can instantly check, and this of course will be connected later on with all the features of earnings regarding to targets, commissions, markups, everything else. It's all connected with that. And that's really with this feature. It's a really nice feature, and it's because right now we're still implementing, you will notice that some of these, like this feature here, is not working properly. And same here, if we go here, you can see it's not working. However, this is being adjusted probably within a day. Tomorrow or after tomorrow, it will be fully fixed. If you're worried about this, don't worry at all, because if you look at this part, you can still search all the bookings of all the customers. In July we have nothing, but you can see here in August we have one. So you can see all the bookings from all your customers. So you don't have to worry at all. You're not missing anything at this moment. It's just that one feature to search bookings faster is currently not working optimal. However, very soon we'll keep you up to date, and that's why we have it also in the message.